Okay, Ernest, got your radio on the bench here. I had to straighten out the volume squelch knob because it was bent all to shit. When you ship this thing, you need to put something over the front of it to protect these knobs. I got it as straight as I could, but it wants to drag the squelch knob with it now when you turn it. So it ain't perfect. So you'll have to hold the squelch knob when you go to work the volume, and vice versa. I might pull them back off again before I send it back to you and see if I can't get it a little bit straighter. But it was like this. And I've got it straightened back out. I'm scared to do too much with it because it might break it off. But anyway, you didn't have anything in the front here. So the knob's just smashed against the front of the box, and I'm sure it got thrown around. But I can't find anything wrong with the radio. And let me show you what I'm talking about. I've got a 100 watt slug there and a 100 watt slug there. Okay, meter on the left is RMS, which is that slug. Meter on the right is peak envelope power, which is that slug. We're reading on the bottom scale on both meters. Okay? Bottom scale on both meters. I'll set you down on a stable surface here so that you don't get seasick. And I've got my two-tone, or my 1000 hertz tone going. I'm going to be injecting the signal in through the microphone. Not through a wire, but through the microphone. Yeah, that's over 100 watts peak right there. Okay, we're doing about 22 RMS. Let me switch it to times 2. Okay, times 2, that's 40, 80, 120, right there where the 60 mark is. Okay, so it's in between 100 and 120. I'd say probably somewhere around 110, 115 watts peak. So the radio's doing what it's supposed to. I'm not sure why you think that the output power is low. And this is the channel it was on when I got it, so that's where I'm testing it at. It seems to work really well. I can go in and turn the RMS power up, but then it's going to start backing up when you modulate, and I'm sure you don't want that. Hello, audio, audio, hello, audio, audio, hello, audio, 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 1 2 1 2, audio, audio, hello. The radio's working great. So since there's nothing wrong with it, I'm not even going to break the seal on the side of it. I'll wait till you, well, I'm probably just going to pack it up and ship it back to you. I looked at your note again, and you're talking about low power, but I'm not seeing the low power unless you're talking about RMS. Like I said, I got RMS turned down so that it moves forward instead of backing up when you talk into it. But anyway, all right, I want to post this video. You let me know what you want me to do. Otherwise, I'm just going to ship it back to you.